Welcome to YOUCANIC. Today here in YOUCANIC we have a 2011 Honda Fit, and on this Honda Fit we have the battery here, and it's looking a little corroded, so we're going to go over how you would clean these battery terminals and also how you would replace the battery if you needed to replace the battery. So to start with, you're going to need to take this bolt off, and this is for the negative. So you need a number 10 millimeter to loosen. Really just got to get it loose enough that it wiggles and it'll come off. Okay, that's how you disconnect that. Same thing with the positive. Alright, so we loosen that and we pull the positive off. Should have a bracket here to hold down your battery, but this one doesn't. So you just remove the battery, then we're going to go ahead and clean up these contacts. There's a tool like this, or a good clean wire brush, and you're going to want to twist it around to clean all the corrosion off that you can. And then down here we have the battery. Then we have the battery, and this has got some scrapers right here. You just push it on the post and you just twist it, and it'll clean all that corrosion off so that you can get the best connection on your battery for it to be able to charge and everything it's supposed to do. So we take our new battery, or replacing the old one if we were just cleaning it up. So you take your new battery, just set it in there. It's on there. And then just take this, connect it back up, and tighten it. Same thing with the negative. And that's how you reinstall your battery. Tighten those connectors, then cover back down, and that's how you would reinstall your battery on a Honda Fit. Thanks for watching YOUCANIC, where you can be the mechanic.